Welcome to day one. If you are listening to this explainer, you've probably just picked up your new laptop, found your desk, and are sitting there wondering what exactly comes next. Well, you are in the perfect place. Today, we're taking a quick tour of your new AI-powered Ultimate Orientation Guide. We're going to completely demystify your onboarding experience and introduce you to the AI new 𝗠𝗏𝗧 Assistant platform. Trust me, this tool is going to be your absolute best friend for the next few weeks, and honestly, probably throughout your entire career here.
Let's be totally honest for a second. We all know that classic, slightly panicked feeling of starting a new enterprise role. You're suddenly dropped into this massive organization and you have to frantically hunt for internal documentation. You're usually faced with a chaotic maze of Confluence pages, SharePoint sites, and standard operating procedures that probably haven't been updated since, 2018? Not to mention endless chat threads just trying to figure out how to do the most basic things. Learning the architecture, deployment workflows, escalation paths, and figuring out who actually owns what, it's incredibly overwhelming, right? We know. And that is exactly why we built something completely different for you.
Let's dive into this, because the shift you're about to experience is huge. In the old way of doing things, which is pretty standard at most large enterprises, ramp-up time takes anywhere from 6 to 12 agonizing months. New hires constantly have to tap senior engineers or subject matter experts on the shoulder, relying way too much on tribal knowledge and repetitive walkthroughs. But the new way, your way, it leverages a centralized AI assistant. Instead of fragmented searching, you get a conversational platform that acts as your own personal enterprise librarian. It allows for completely independent discovery and a beautifully smooth, rapid integration into your team. To give you a sense of the sheer scale we're talking about, this isn't just a simple FAQ bot. It's a massive, AI-powered enterprise employee lifecycle command center designed specifically for you. It pulls together millions of documents from over 50 teams globally. By centralizing everything, from your personal roadmap to architecture visualizations and actual source citations, this system takes a process that traditionally took months and compresses it down into just weeks, all with secure, highly intelligent guidance.
Section 1. Meet your AI guide. Let's pull back the curtain and look at the technology that actually makes your new assistant so incredibly reliable.
So the absolute secret sauce here is a concept called RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Now, if you've played around with generative AI before, you might be thinking, wait, doesn't AI sometimes just make things up? Well, RAG completely solves that hallucination problem. Before the AI even attempts to answer a question, say you ask, how do I request Jenkins access? It securely searches our internal, verified enterprise documents first. It actually reads our specific SOPs, onboarding guides, and workflows, and grounds its answer entirely in our company's reality. So you get accurate, enterprise-specific context, not just generic AI guesses.
Let's walk through exactly what's happening under the hood when you hit enter. It's a really slick 4-step workflow. Step 1, you just type a natural language question into our Streamlit web interface. Step 2, that application securely passes your request over to Amazon Bedrock. Step 3, the Bedrock knowledge base converts your question into a semantic search and scans an Amazon S3 vector store, which is basically the vault holding all of our embedded enterprise knowledge. And finally, Step 4, the 𝗧𝗵𝗃 AI model analyzes those specific documents and generates your answer, complete with exact citations and links right to the source material. It's incredibly fast, totally secure, and wonderfully transparent.
Section 2. Your custom onboarding roadmap, because answering your ad hoc questions is really just the beginning of what this platform can do.
One of the absolute coolest features you'll use is the auto-generated 30, 60, and 90-day plan. Instead of waiting around for a manager to manually throw together a spreadsheet for you, the AI instantly curates a personalized roadmap based specifically on your exact role and your exact team. It turns up the learning recommendations and team-specific SOPs you need exactly when you need them. It builds out a precise operational readiness plan so you know what success looks like at day 30, day 60, and day 90. Plus, it handles all the manual checklist tracking for things like app setups and access requests, keeping you perfectly on track without all that administrative headache.
Section 3. Faster ramp-up, less waiting. Let's talk about how having all this targeted information instantly available dramatically changes the game for your productivity.
Before we launched this AI assistant, it was just an accepted industry-wide reality that it'd take a new employee 6 to 12 months to fully grasp the architecture and operational responsibilities well enough to be self-sufficient. But now, we have crushed that onboarding time down to just 30 to 45 days. You spend drastically less time waiting around for answers and way more time actually doing the exciting work you are hired to do. And that brings us to 60%. This single number is probably the most celebrated metric among your new colleagues. It represents the massive reduction in our dependency on senior subject matter experts. Look, before this, our top engineers and managers were constantly bogged down answering the same basic onboarding questions and running the exact same knowledge transfer sessions over and over. Because you can now independently find those answers with your AI guide, you are literally giving your teammates 60% of their valuable time back to focus on building great products.
To really summarize what a win-win this is, check out these operational metrics. Overall onboarding time, down 70 to 80%. Operational efficiency across the entire floor, up 50% simply because knowledge isn't bottlenecked by a few busy people anymore. And knowledge accessibility is up significantly. You are stepping into an environment that is radically optimized, where the right information is literally always at your fingertips, 24/7.
Section 4. The multi-agent future ecosystem. Now, you might be wondering, okay, this is amazing for my first 90 days, but what happens after I'm fully ramped up? Well, that's where the multi-agent evolution comes in. Right now, on day 1, you're interacting with Agent 1, the onboarding agent. But as you settle into your daily routine, you'll start using Agent 2, the support routing agent, which automatically looks up escalation matrices to find exactly who to ping when things break. Then there's Agent 3, the access management agent, helping to automate those tedious IAM approvals and ticket creations when you need new permissions. And eventually, way down the line, Agent 4 handles automated offboarding to ensure secure account disablement and asset tracking. It's an entire intelligent ecosystem that evolves with you.
And to make all of this truly frictionless, this system is designed to live exactly where you already work. It's deeply integrated with the core software suite you'll use every single day. So instead of being just another standalone portal you have to remember to log into, it weaves together direct connections with ServiceNow, Jira, Okta, and Active Directory. It lives right inside your Slack or Microsoft Teams windows and connects effortlessly to Workday. You don't have to jump between a dozen different apps. The AI assistant just smoothly orchestrates tasks across all of them for you. Which really brings us to the core mission statement behind this whole initiative. We are not building just another chatbot. We are building an AI-powered enterprise employee lifecycle platform that transforms onboarding, operational enablement, support routing, and future offboarding automation. It's a bold vision, and starting right now, today, you are at the absolute center of it. You are stepping into your new role empowered with the right knowledge at exactly the right time. So here's the question I want to leave you with on your first day. With months of tedious ramp-up time suddenly eliminated, what amazing things are you going to build with all that time you've just gained back? Welcome to the team, and have a blast exploring your new AI guide.